Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast. My name is Mary. I'm really happy to have you with us today.
Hi, everyone. This is Tom speaking. Thank you for joining us again. We hope you're feeling great today.
This podcast is made for English learners. We talk slowly and clearly so you can listen and learn comfortably.
Yes, Mary. You can listen while relaxing. You can also listen while practicing English.
Today's topic is something many people love. We are going to talk about sports. Our topic is talking about sports in English.
Sports are part of daily life. People talk about sports everywhere, so it's a perfect topic for conversation.
Tom, let's begin with the simple question. What is sport?
Sport is an activity that uses the body. People play sports for fun or competition. It usually follows rules.
Yes, that's true. Sports can be played alone. Sports can also be played in teams.
Some sports need a ball. Some sports need special equipment. Others need only your body.
Sports help people stay active. They help improve physical health. They also improve mental health.
Why do people like sports so much?
I think sports make people feel excited. They bring energy and emotion. They make life more interesting.
Some people like playing sports. Others like watching sports. Both are enjoyable.
Sports can reduce stress. They help people relax after work. They clear the mind.
Sports also create connections. People make friends through sports. They feel part of a group.
Sports are everywhere in daily life.
Yes, we see sports on TV. We hear sports news on the radio. We read sports stories online.
People talk about games at school. They talk about matches at work. Sports become conversation starters.
Even people who don't play sports still know famous teams and players. That shows how popular sports are.
Let's learn some basic sports words.
These words are very common.
The word match means a game. Two teams play against each other. For example, a football match.
The word score means points. It shows who is winning. People always ask about the score.
Another word is team. A team is a group of players. They play together.
We also use the word player. A player is a person in the game. Each team has players.
These words are easy to use. You will hear them very often. They are good for beginners.
Mary, let's try a simple sports conversation.
Sure, let's do it.
Hi, Mary. Do you like sports?
Yes, I do. I enjoy watching football. It's very exciting.
Do you play any sports?
Sometimes I play badminton. I play with my friends. It's fun and relaxing.
That's nice. Sports are good for health. They also make us happy.
Sports are great for learning English.
You hear natural conversations. People speak with emotion. That helps understanding.
Sports language is simple. Many words are repeated, so it's easy to remember.
You can learn by watching games. You can learn by listening to comments. Learning feels natural.
So in part 1, we talked about what sports are. We talked about why people love sports.
We also learned basic sports vocabulary, and we practiced a simple conversation. This is the foundation.
In the next part, we will talk about different types of sports, from team sports to individual sports.
So stay with us for part 2. It will be very interesting. Let's continue together.
Today, we will talk about different types of sports.
Yes, Mary. In part 1, we talked about the basics of sports. Now, let's explore many kinds of sports.
Sports come in many forms. Each type has its own style. Each type attracts different people.
Let's start with team sports.
Team sports are played with a group of players. People work together to win. Teamwork is very important.
Football is a popular team sport. Players pass the ball to each other. They try to score goals.
Basketball is another team sport. It is fast and energetic. Players move all the time.
Other team sports include volleyball. There is also hockey and baseball. Each one has different rules.
Team sports teach cooperation. They teach communication. They teach trust.
Now let's talk about individual sports.
Individual sports are played alone. You compete by yourself. Your performance depends on you.
Tennis is a good example. You face one opponent. You rely on your own skills.
Running is also an individual sport. Many people run every day. It's simple but effective.
Swimming is another example. It builds strength and endurance. It is good for the whole body.
Individual sports help self-discipline. They help focus and control. They build personal strength.
Some sports are played indoors.
Yes, indoor sports are played inside buildings. Weather is not a problem. People can play all year.
Badminton is a popular indoor sport. It requires quick movement. It improves coordination.
Table tennis is also popular. It is fast and challenging. Players need good reflexes.
Gym sports are also indoor activities. People lift weights. They train their bodies.
Indoor sports are convenient. They are safe from weather. They are easy to access.
Now let's talk about outdoor sports.
Outdoor sports are played outside. They connect people with nature. They feel refreshing.
Football is usually played outdoors. So is cricket. These sports need large fields.
Cycling is another outdoor sport. People ride bikes on roads or trails. It's good for health.
Hiking is also popular. People walk in mountains or forests. It helps clear the mind.
Outdoor sports give fresh air. They give space to move. They help reduce stress.
Some sports are competitive.
Yes, competitive sports focus on winning. Players train hard. They follow strict rules.
Professional leagues are competitive. Players compete at a high level. Fans watch closely.
Olympic sports are very competitive. Athletes represent their countries. They train for many years.
Competing pushes people to improve. It builds discipline. It builds mental strength.
Not all sports are competitive.
That's true. Some sports are just for fun.
Recreational sports are relaxed. People play to enjoy themselves. There is less pressure.
Jogging in the park is recreational. Playing with friends is recreational. The goal is enjoyment.
These sports fit busy lifestyles. They are easy to start. They help people stay active.
Let's practice talking about types of sports.
You can say, I like team sports. They are exciting.
You can also say, I prefer individual sports. They help me focus.
You can ask, what kind of sports do you like? Do you like indoor or outdoor sports?
These questions are easy to use. They help start conversations. They sound natural.
So in part 2, we talked about many types of sports.
We talked about team sports. We talked about individual sports.
We talked about indoor and outdoor sports.
We also talked about competitive and recreational sports.
In the next part, we will practice real conversations about sports. We will talk like in real life.
So stay with us for part 3. It will be fun and practical.
We are now in part 3 of our podcast. This part is about real sports conversations.
Yes, Mary. We will talk like in daily life. Simple, natural, and practical.
These conversations are useful. You can use them with friends. You can use them at work or school.
What sport do you enjoy the most?
I really like football. I enjoy the speed of the game. It keeps me excited.
Do you like playing or watching?
I mostly enjoy watching. I like seeing team strategies. The atmosphere is fun.
I prefer playing sports.
I feel more active. It helps me release stress.
Tom, did you watch the match last night?
Yes, I did. It was a tough game. Both teams played well.
I agree. The first half was slow. The second half was much better.
The final goal was impressive. The timing was perfect. The fans went crazy.
I read an interesting sports article today.
Really? What was it about?
It was about a young player. He joined a big team. Many people are talking about him.
That's exciting news. Young players bring fresh energy. They change the game. This stadium is huge. There are so many people here. The energy is amazing.
Yes, it feels different from watching on TV. You can hear the crowd. You can feel the excitement.
I like seeing the players up close. You notice small details. It makes the game more real.
I agree. Live sports create strong memories. You never forget the feeling. My friends often talk about sports.
Mine too. It's an easy topic. Everyone has an opinion.
Some friends talk about teams. Others talk about players. The conversations never end.
Sometimes we disagree, but it's still fun. It makes the discussion lively. Mary, do you still play badminton?
Yes, I play on weekends. It helps me stay active. I feel refreshed after playing.
That's great. I play football in the evenings. It helps me sleep better.
Playing sports improves energy. It clears the mind. It balances life.
Let's share some useful expressions.
You can say, "That was a close game. It could have gone either way."
You can also say, they played really well. The team showed great effort.
Another useful one is, "He is in good form." It means he is playing well.
These expressions sound natural. They are common in conversations. They help you sound confident.
Talking about sports feels natural.
Yes, it reduces pressure. You talk about something familiar. That makes speaking easier.
Sports topics create flow. People respond easily. The conversation continues naturally.
That's why sports are great for practice. You speak more freely. You enjoy the conversation.
So in part 3, we practiced real sports conversations.
We talked about favorite sports. We talked about games and news.
We talked about watching live sports. We talked about playing sports.
In the next part, we will share tips to learn English through sports. It will be very helpful.
Let's keep learning together. Now we are in part 4. This part is about learning English through sports.
Yes, Mary. Sports are not only about exercise. They are also great for language learning.
If you like sports, learning English becomes more natural. You don't feel bored.
Let's start with watching sports.
When you watch sports in English, you hear real conversations. You hear natural pronunciation.
Commentators speak clearly. They repeat important words. This helps understanding.
You also hear emotions, excitement, surprise, disappointment. These make words easier to remember.
Try watching highlights first. They are short and focused. They are good for beginners.
Sports podcasts are very useful.
Yes, they are conversational. The language feels relaxed. It sounds like daily English.
You can listen while walking. You can listen while resting. Learning fits into your day.
Choose topics you enjoy. Football, basketball, or tennis. Interest keeps you engaged.
Reading sports news is helpful too.
Sports articles use clear structure. The language is often simple. It is easy to follow.
You learn verbs like win, lose, score. You also learn phrases about performance. These words are very practical.
Try reading one article a day. Don't translate every word. Focus on main ideas.
Talking about sports helps a lot.
Yes, it encourages interaction. People usually respond quickly. Conversations feel smooth.
You can share opinions. You can ask questions. You can react naturally.
For example, what did you think about the match? That's a simple starter.
Writing is also important.
You can write short comments. You can write match summaries. Keep it simple.
Even one paragraph is enough. Describe what happened. Describe how you felt.
This improves sentence structure. It helps organize thoughts. It builds clarity.
Sports vocabulary is easy to learn.
Many words are repeated. They appear again and again. That helps memory.
Words like team, goal, coach, they are common and useful. You see them everywhere.
Try making a small word list. Review it often. Use words in sentences.
You don't need long study time.
Even 10 minutes is enough. Consistency matters more. Small steps work.
Mix learning with enjoyment. Watch, listen, read, and talk. Keep it balanced.
Sports make learning relaxed. You stay motivated. You keep going.
So, in part 4, we talked about learning English through sports.
We shared ways to learn by watching. We talked about podcasts and news.
We also talked about speaking and writing, all through sports topics.
In the final part, we will share our final thoughts.
So don't go anywhere. Part 5 is coming next. We've reached the final part of our podcast. It feels great to be here with you. Thank you for staying until the end.
Yes, thank you, everyone. We talked about sports from many angles, from basics to real-life conversations.
Sports are more than games. They connect people. They create shared moments.
Talking about sports makes English feel easier. You don't need complex words. You just need interest.
In this episode, we explored types of sports.
We shared real-life situations. We talked like friends, just natural conversation.
We also showed how sports help language learning through watching, listening, reading, and speaking.
Each small step matters. Every conversation helps. Progress comes naturally.
Don't be afraid to talk about sports in English.
Start with simple sentences. Share your opinions. Ask questions.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Practice grows confidence.
Enjoy the process. Have fun with the language. That's the key.
We hope this podcast helps you.
Use these ideas in your daily life. Talk with friends. Talk with coworkers.
Keep learning at your own pace. Choose topics you love. Sports can be a great start.
That's all for today's episode.
Thank you so much for listening.
We truly appreciate your support.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please share it with others.
And don't forget to practice English every day.
Until next time, keep moving, keep learning.
Yes, we're so happy you spent your time with us today.
Don't forget to subscribe Podcast English Talk for more sweet English conversations.
See you next time.